Hello, school users and counselors. On this video, we are going to discuss graduation details reporting. We also are going to be sending out instructions, written instructions out on ScholarTrack as always, and then emails probably from your outreach coordinators. So we're just going to go through some screenshots to help make this process a little bit easier, some tips and tricks to keep in mind. So my name is Rachel Meyer. I'm an outreach coordinator with the Indiana Commission for Higher Education, and I will go ahead and guide you through this process. So graduation details reporting is needed every single year by June 15th. So keep that deadline in mind. June 15th is when we really would like the information. If there's some weird circumstance, you can contact us and we can work with you if you have to make your reporting later. So what is graduation details reporting? So if you're new or if this is a new task on your plate, we just ask that schools report details to us about your students in ScholarTrack, so we know which students are eligible for our state financial aid programs and which students are not. So essentially you're just helping the students potentially get more money for school if they're going the college route. So again, it's just an information sharing portal. For our purposes for state financial aid, we only need to know about two groups of students. So 21st century scholars and then honors diploma students who are not scholars. So who and what do we need reported to us? So each year in May or June, it's up to you when you'd like to do this reporting, but essentially we need our 12th grade 21st century scholars reported to us. You will mark them as final. We need their cumulative GPA on their final high school diploma, and then their diploma type earned. For our 11th grade 21st century scholars, you will report all of their information as preliminary, and then we just need their GPA cumulatively up to the end of junior year, and then the diploma type path that they're currently on. And then the last group of students we need are grade 12 students who earned an honors diploma, so either academic or technical honors, and then you will report those students their status as final as well. To do this, you'll use ScholarTrack, so you'll go to scholartrack.in.gov, log in using your credentials, and then it will take you to your dashboard. On the dashboard, you will choose graduation details on the left-hand side. And then to download your populated file, which we do a lot of the hard work for you, we download an actual file with all of your students who are either enrolled as 21st century scholars, who the Department of Education has entered into the database, as well as anyone who filed a FAFSA as a senior and put your high school on there. So all of those students will be on your populated file. So you'll just click on that button and that will bring up your Excel file or CSV file. So some important reminders when you are entering student information on your spreadsheet. For the diploma types, they have to match our wording exactly in order to upload correctly. So we send out a list, so you'll be able to just copy and paste from our emails the diploma types. So super easy there. And then another important reminder is do not delete or move the location of any columns on your Excel CSV populated file. So we have everything set up in ScholarTrack to upload it directly, but again, the columns and their locations and the titles have to stay the same. So just keep that in mind. One thing we added this year to make it a little bit easier to report student data is we added a column displaying the student testing number for you. All right, so once you have downloaded your populated file, you've entered in all of their diploma types and all that kind of good stuff, then you're going to save your file to your computer. and then you're going to come back to ScholarTrack and hit the upload button, and this will actually upload it into ScholarTrack so that all of the details will be reported. If you want to double check what you've entered, make sure everything is correct. You can look at your import history. You can see if there were any errors, anything like that. You can also, on that student tab at the bottom, you can review every single student on like a giant list that populates for you. So you can, again, double check that everything you entered was correct. So hopefully this was an easy little glimpse into how to do your graduation details reporting. As always, please reach out if you have questions. We are here to help you with this. So don't struggle bus with it, because we will definitely assist you. So thanks so much, and good luck with your graduation details reporting. Thanks, everybody.